How to remove emoji from photos easily. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have added emoji or stickers to a photo and now you want to remove them, then this guide will show you the easiest working method in 2026, and we will also explain what's possible and what's not. So here the important thing to know first is that if the emoji was added and saved on the top of the photo, it usually cannot be perfectly removed, but depending on how and where the emoji was added, you still have good options clearly. So with that, moving forward to the method number one, that is to remove emoji before saving. So here, if you haven't saved the photo yet, then what you can do is just open the photo in app where you have added the emoji, and there you can just tap edit, and there you can simply select the emoji, and after that, what you can do is there you can just revert, or you can remove the emoji from there. And once you do that, this will completely remove the emoji from the photo. And with that, moving forward to the method number two, that is to use the original photo. So many app keeps the original image. So what you can do is just open the gallery first. So here what you can do is just open the gallery, and here once you're inside, just check the photos in gallery, or you can even check Snapchat memories as well. You can check Instagram archive, Google Photos backup. So just look for the original version, and if you found it, you can simply restore or download it, and this is the cleanest solution if available. And with that, moving forward to the method 3, that is to use the object remover or the magic eraser app. So these apps can remove emoji automatically. So with that, the recommended apps are Google Photos, Snapseed, PixArt. So the PixArt is one of the great tools if you want to edit the photo, so you can definitely try that. So here what you have to do is just open the app, and there you can just import the video that you want to edit, and there you can simply select object remover slash healing, and there you can just brush over the emoji, and there you can just apply and save it, and it works best if the background is simple. And with that, moving forward to the method 4, that is to crop the emoji out. So here, if the emoji is near the edge, so here let's say if you have taken the photo, and here if the emojis are just at the corner of the photo, then what you can do is just open the photo in the gallery, and there you can simply crop the images to remove the emoji from the photo. And it's quite simple, but it's effective. And that's it. Those are some few workarounds that you can try to remove emoji from photo easily. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.